Have you ever looked at your retirement account or maybe your bank account and thought, I should have started years ago? Maybe you're in your 40s, 50s, or even your 60s. You see people online talking about investing in their 20s, retiring early, and becoming millionaires before 35. And it's easy to feel like you missed your chance. But here's the truth. You have not missed your opportunity to build wealth. In fact, many people create the majority of their wealth after the age of 40. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how. We'll cover the biggest mistakes to avoid, the strategies that actually work, and a practical step-by-step plan you can start using today. Because building wealth isn't about being young, it's about making smart decisions consistently. Today, we will discuss 9 proven ways to build wealth if you are in your 40s and older. I am Chris, and thank you for watching another video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let's get started. 1. Shift your mindset. Building wealth begins long before investing. It starts with your mindset. Instead of saying, I don't have enough time, ask yourself, what can I accomplish with the time I have? This simple shift changes everything. Successful investors don't waste energy regretting the past. They focus on today's decisions. Think of it this way. The next 20 years are going to pass whether you invest or not. Would you rather reach age 60 wishing you had started, or thanking yourself for taking action today? Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. 2. Know exactly where your money is going. Before you invest a single dollar, you need to know where your money is disappearing. Most people believe they don't have money to invest, but after tracking their spending, they discover hundreds of dollars leaking out every month. Subscriptions, food delivery, impulse shopping, unused memberships, convenience purchases. Little expenses don't seem dangerous until they happen every single week. Here's an easy challenge. Track every dollar you spend for the next 30 days. Don't judge yourself. Just observe. Awareness creates change. Even finding an extra $300 every month can dramatically improve your financial future. 3. Eliminate high-interest debt. This step is critical. If you're paying 20%, 25%, or even 30% interest on credit cards, that debt is working against you every single day. Imagine trying to fill a bucket while someone keeps drilling holes in the bottom. That's what investing while carrying expensive debt often feels like. Paying off high-interest debt gives you a guaranteed return equal to the interest you're avoiding. Very few investments can consistently beat that. This doesn't mean you stop investing forever, but prioritize eliminating toxic debt as quickly as possible. Once those payments disappear, you'll suddenly have hundreds of extra dollars every month to build wealth. 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, jobs disappear, medical emergencies happen. Without savings, every emergency becomes another credit card balance. That's why an emergency fund is so important. Start with a goal of 1 month's expenses, then build toward 3 to 6 months. Knowing you can handle unexpected expenses gives you confidence and prevents your financial progress from being destroyed by one bad week. 5. Start investing immediately. Now we get to the exciting part, investing. One of the biggest mistakes people over 40 make is waiting until they feel ready. Here's the secret. You'll probably never feel completely ready. Start anyway. Consistency beats perfection. If your employer offers a retirement plan with matching contributions, take full advantage of it. That's essentially free money. Then consider investing regularly into diversified index funds. You don't need to become a stock-picking expert. You don't need to watch financial news all day. You simply need consistency. Invest every month. Keep investing during market highs. Keep investing during market crashes. Keep investing during recessions. Because wealth is built over decades, not days. 6. Increase your income. Saving money is important, but increasing your income can change everything. There are limits to how much you can cut. There's almost no limit to how much you can earn. Ask yourself, can I negotiate a raise? Can I earn a certification? Can I start freelancing? Can I tutor, consult, drive for a few hours each weekend, sell digital products? Start a small business, create content online. Every additional dollar you earn has the potential to become another investing dollar. Think about that. An extra $500 every month invested consistently over many years can make an enormous difference. Focus on expanding your income, not just shrinking your expenses. 7. Protect your wealth. Building wealth is only half the battle. Keeping it matters too. Make sure you have appropriate insurance, create a simple estate plan, update your beneficiaries, keep your important documents organized. As your wealth grows, protecting it becomes just as important as growing it. 8. Avoid lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest wealth killers is lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, so you buy a more expensive car, a larger house, more vacations, more monthly payments. Then another raise comes, but you're still living paycheck to paycheck. Instead, every time your income increases, commit to investing a portion before increasing your lifestyle. This single habit can accelerate your wealth dramatically. 9. The power of consistency. People often ask, what's the best investment? But a better question is, can I consistently invest for the next 20 years? Because consistency beats chasing the hottest stock. It beats trying to time the market. It beats jumping from one investment trend to another. Wealth grows quietly, slowly, almost boringly, until one day you look back and realize your investments have been working for you the entire time. Thank you for staying with us if you're over 40. I want you to remember one thing. You are not behind. You're simply starting from where you are. And that's okay. Your past financial mistakes do not determine your future. The decisions you make today do. Start budgeting, pay off high-interest debt, build your emergency fund, invest consistently, increase your income, stay patient, and keep going. Because 20 years from now, you'll either be grateful you started today, or you'll wish you had. The choice begins with the very next decision you make. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button because it really helps the channel. Subscribe for more videos on personal finance, investing, debt payoff, and building long-term wealth. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What financial goal are you working toward right now? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.